How to change Google Maps from walking to driving on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Google Maps application on your phone. Once you're here, use the map to find the specific area where you want to drop the pin. A red pin will appear at that location. Once the pin is dropped, you'll see options like directions, save, share, or add a label at the bottom. Here, tap on the directions button. You can view the different transport options available. In the walking section, you can view how long it will take for you to walk to that location, as well as the distance and time you will reach. From here, tap on the driving section to view the same information. And then, tap on Start. Following these steps, you can easily change Google Maps from walking to driving on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.